Well, now that's not true, is it? We're actually trained to adjust any joint in the body, depending on what suits you best. Chiropractors are trained to assess for joint instabilities that may influence your nervous system. We will adjust any joint, whether that's your elbow, knee, shoulder, as long as it's suitable to you. We've cleared that up now. Is it time for you to mention that knee you've been thinking about? Because it turns out we know a thing or two about them.